Alright, I'm in the Hunlock Creek train station right now in Pennsylvania. It's abandoned. Tons of shotgun shells. It's kind of crazy. All of this is probably pretty unstable. Doesn't sound it though. Alright, I'm probably gonna go right up these stairs. Right over there's the highway. Up the stairs I go. Hopefully they don't cave in on me. Look at that. It's quite the drop. I don't want to put all my weight on that top step. Wonder what happened that made all this cave in like that. Like this whole thing is just completely wrecked. It looks like someone just, I don't even know. Looks like someone just heaved a giant boulder at it. It's pretty crazy. Alright, now I'm coming down these absolute death trap of stairs or whatever. They're crazy steep with all this dirt or whatever that's built up. So I'm just kind of sliding down now because it's just pretty steep. And then the snow doesn't help either. Alright, so made it down the stairs. Over there's the Susquehanna. It's nice that someone put that there, so you can get more of a step. I came here like last year. That wasn't there, so that's new. But even then, it's not that hard to just climb up here if you have good upper body strength. So, whatever. Short people accessible. Sweet graffiti. Whole damn shelf. So this is like a basement area underneath the whole thing. There's a barrel. Tire. A whole lot of trash and junk down here. Whole lot of bricks too. Now this whole area is posted. Private property. So it's kind of a, can't really be in here. I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool old garage door. I think this graffiti right here is probably pretty recent. I don't think this was here last time I was here a year ago. And then here we have like another storage room. Just full of more junk. And then there's these doors, which I'm not gonna go in, because I'm not trying to climb underneath those, and there's no way that they're gonna pop open. It's all probably collapsed anyways or something. It's a pretty cool area. Found a deer carcass, so that's something. Hopefully YouTube won't demonetize me, even though I'm not even making any money at all. Probably gonna walk down to the Susquehanna too. It's kind of like a ATV dirt bike trail, I think. Here we have kind of like a creek thing, or whatever, right by the Susquehanna. It's pretty muddy here. It's very muddy. Very icy. Very cold. Up here's the Susquehanna. This makes for a good seat. It's quite the tree, pretty white. And then over there you can see what I came here for. The train station thingamajobber. My hands are freezing, so it's kind of tricky trying to mess with the zoom on here. Look at those. It's very muddy here, so it's bound to be slippery. Alright, here I made it to the Susquehanna. Probably gonna walk out there on one of those rocks. There's another tire. So, that's it for this video. That's the Hunlock Creek train station. See you guys on the next one.